be this now? Okay, now. What's my money now? Complete my money.
What's that? What 5 million you talk?
Okay, me and you talk 2,000. I give them
1 million you take 2,000.
I don't say if I pass spin test for 2,000.
I can't say after spin test I go. You
Okay,
tell me
my
what
money.
time.
Tell me my money here.
I give you anything. Give it.
Okay, here's my money here.
I don't be 2 person.
Okay.
I don't be 2.
I don't be John. Okay, I'm from John. I'm John. I'm John.
Let's go to Aquaka.
Class, give me my money.
Let's go to Aquaka.
Okay, now look at one where. Guys.
See this girl.
One I'm brought up. No, two.
What are you doing? My money. More of you to boy.
I said my money. I get my money.
What the heck is going on? I don't give you anything.
I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you.
You better say.
I said, oh, that's it. I go that to you. I go that to you. Yeah, my money. My money. I tell you, sir, no see hook up for enter taxi. Girl, I see hook up for enter taxi driving. Get my khaki now. I get my khaki. Get my khaki. Now this guy won't know you. This guy not you. Get my khaki. Put the khaki now.
I don't know how. I give her money. I give her money. You do me this thing. Yeah, I give her money. Let me say I don't give her money. I give her money.
I can't go for my guy. I see who go please. I enter taxi. Why you not put on who go? Nonsense. Sound like they made your guy, I see who go before we get the taxi. I see who go first of my taxi. Which papa? Which papa, madam? Come on, spot. I know, man. Come on, spot. You give me money. Come on, spot. You go
It is simply because you know who and the king are working in tandem. They are well aligned.
Very, very well aligned. It's wonderful. You see, this thing about this kingdom that we've been talking on, I want us to look at it critically. Anyway, that's by the wayside. I know that your son will be happy to see me.
Definitely. As a matter of fact, I cannot wait for my son to return to the country.
Oh yes.
And take over the management of my investments.
My daughter is patiently waiting. Thank you very much.
Oh no.
Yes.
If I may ask, why did you stop your daughter from visiting us?
You know my daughter is a banker.
Yes.
And as a manager in the bank, she has lots of jobs on her table. You see, do you know that this girl hardly sleeps?
Really?
It's wonderful.
Oh, that is great. You see, I am so delightful that such a girl that is so hardworking and diligent is the woman that my son is going to take for a wife.
You know, she's already the queen.
Of course, of course. Let's drink to that. Oh no,
that's me, Your Majesty.
Ah.
just imagine. Then things say because of say I be woman or they drive taxi, they feel they intimidate me. Say they feel enter me anyhow. They don't know what's up, oh. Guy, if you want jaga, we go jaga. Prepare come this walk.
Action lady, they Chris. Who the Zuzu? Anybody want Zuzu for this shop? You go collect.
You go collect 2 seconds.
That is why you soft. Oh, but the iron lady, oh, now give her that chance.
I'm an edgy man, red I dey use red eye to do my work. But guy, you know now. You might do me sobu. You might wine and all way. I do me sobu. But not because of say I know they worry.
Confirm.
Go come me say I go there inside water so go enter my eye.
Enough you happen now.
Guy, goes when
Who
I'm fool so I could against it. 1 second, the well man.
Who the Zua for this workshop? They do any other will collect. They Chris. Huh?
Nah, that thing surprise me, oh.
What the person?
I enter the guy. Guy, that's happened to me. I need me.
Person for wait now.
The guy need me.
Make we knock. Anyways, babe, relax. Don't just smoke. Let me go back to my shop. Else let me come and check on. You know how this our work. Work sometime. But relax. Anything call on me. Call on me, Chris.
Nah, MNA far.
Bye, boo boo.
My man.
Hey. All right. Look at it.
No, I don't know. I get
it now.
I got food.
We'll collide later now. But at the same time.
I'm not doing it.
All right, no one. I believe you.
Oh, no.
I believe
I'll
you.
come find you something. Don't worry. Drop. I know my drop. I know by drop. By also.
Please, take your drugs. Please, Mama. Please, I'm begging you. Please.
Stop disturbing me. Stop disturbing me. I don't want to take drugs again.
Mama, how is taking your drugs a disturbance? Please, I'm begging you. Please, Mama.
Because I am tired of all this. I am tired of taking drugs. A strong woman like me. I am doing my business on a daily basis. I am now on a wheelchair. I'm the one that's supposed to cater for you and your sister. Not the other way around. Please stop. I don't want to take drugs again.
Mama, stop saying all this. Please, Mama, stop it. We are fine. We are not complaining. Yes, we are okay. You know, sister is trying all her best to take care of this family. You know, she's doing everything that is within her to take care of our father's taxi. Please, Mama, don't add more tension on us, please. You have to take your drugs now so that you'll be fine, please. Nembiko, let me bring it out for you.
No. 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 I don't want. I don't want. It is too much for me.
My lord, I saw you and don't know. Is everything all right?
Oh, everything is fine. Oh. He sends his greetings.
Oh, that's very thoughtful of him. How about our future queen? Did you ask of her and why she doesn't visit us?
Oh, yes, I did. He said she's not been visiting because she's very busy. You know, she's a bank manager and their workload is much.
I understand. Such a precious lady. Anyways, I spoke to our son and he said he has bought his tickets.
Really?
Yes, I can't wait to see my son.
So when is he coming back?
In 2 weeks' time.
It's all right. I will call him later.
Yes.
I think we made the best choice for him.
Perfect.
Perfect, right? Perfect. You can trust me.
Oh.
Afia will last.
Afia.
Can't get me last.
Oh, everything is fine.
Hey, Mama.
She's inside.
She don't take her medicine.
She has. She's even sleeping safe.
Ezioku. Bring bucket and water. Can I side this car now?
Now?
Detergent is in your I said, number yesterday. Then water now. It is very dirty. Who could wash them?
I know. But you have to go inside and rest. We'll wash it later. Okay, I'll wash it myself.
Ezioku. Hey! Madam of the house, go. Hey, Madam,
I'm a good sister.
You got inside and outside, though. You got somewhere for ma. You go wash inside and outside. You know every corner now, like a passenger.
Yes. Sister, do you know what is sweet in me? Do you know why I'm so happy?
Give me.
This Oshu is giving me joy. Then original. Sopido.
Nah. Oh, if you are mama.
I know.
Now waiting that they use the better life now.
I know.
They also.
Hello? What you do, Luka? Order a company.
Nah, don't be like there. Don't be like there.
It's joke.
Try hard now.
My son, you're welcome. Welcome back.
You look good.
You look good too. I miss you so much.
Igwe. Wow, nice to be home.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Hi.
Are you aware that the prince is back?
It's a lie! The prince is back!
It's true. He's back for good.
Daddy, when did he come back?
Earlier today. But when I went to the palace to see the king, he said he drove out to see a friend.
This is such a great news.
Absolutely.
The prince is back.
So now that you know that the prince is back, what is the next thing to do?
Daddy, you don't need to say anything. I know exactly what to do. The praise is fine.
I hope you know. I hope you know. So.
My queen.
Yes, my lord.
Now that our son is back, I think it's time he met with the wife that we've chosen for him. What do you think?
My lord, let's not push this too hard. You know our son. He could be very stubborn.
Come on. He can't be so stubborn that he will reject that fine wife that we found for him. Huh?
That's all right. I will invite her over to the palace so that both of them will get to meet themselves.
That is what you should be doing.
I will do that.
All right.
Mom,
Yeah.
I thought you and my father were joking about it.
Joking? We're not joking. We got you a woman, son. A woman who is worthy enough to become the next queen of this kingdom. A woman who is educated, classy, and intelligent.
But it's funny that this era
Son,
of
sit
time.
down, please.
Mom, see, what I'm trying to say is that
Sit down.
he can't possibly choose a wife for me. This is 21st century.
Son, we did not choose a wife for you because you cannot do that yourself. We did because we want you to rule this kingdom with a woman who is competent enough. Yes.
Okay, fine. Now let me ask you.
Go on.
What if I do not like this person we're talking about?
You will love her. You will like her, son. As a matter of fact, I'm going to invite her over. Yes, it's high time the both of you meet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Till then.
Yes. Do you want something to drink? Mayday.
Nemo. Ada. Since you came back, you haven't been in your best mood. What is it? Huh?
Mama, not be one foolish customer. When they share first, you go. When feel say, if you enter me anyhow. Now give her to them back. Anyway, they alright. They fine.
Are you sure?
Are they sure? Mama go see Timothy, eh? For they come back, I go arrange 1 or 2 food stuff, bring come back house.
But Masaponi, oh, you know if you keep your face like this, it will be hurting me inside. Huh? Ada? Why, Oma?
Are they alright? Don't worry. Are they fine?
Right.
I come back now.
Make sure you come back before. Come back on time.
Okay.
Oh, Ada. Why, Oma? Nneka! Nneka, Mma!
Mama!
Nambia, oh. My dear, you have to go and fetch water for your sister so that when she comes back, she'll wash her taxi.
Okay.
Oh?
Okay.
Go to the back.
Anyways, the most important thing is there's life. And once there's life, there's hope.
No be lie. No be lie. You get one man where you tell me say bring tire come make you walk. After the man, the person never show.
That man, he brought three tires. I was even happy that I was going to make money. This is one of them. The other two, they are there. He just brought them, kept them here, and left. Thinking he was going to go get money and come and collect his tire. Till now, I've not even seen the man talk of paying me. I fixed it. Not seen the man. Since morning, no customer has come to do anything. To speak with. I don't even know what to eat today. Imagine, graduates like me. I can't even boast of 2 square meals. What is this country turning into? Ah!
Don't worry, no say be my love. It be me, I be you. Anything when I get, you get that. So, let me start to get to work, no really plenty. But
what will I do without you? How can I survive without you?
at all, Nike John.
Na so talk am again.
You just divide them.
Ah!
I suppose buy food stuff for.
So chow, my child don't short today. My child don't short today. Ah, that is man. Let dance killer.
He's a whole body.
What will I do without you?
Nothing if you do without me.
I dey always stay calm. On a Sunday morning, 6 a.m., God just wake up, He just creates you, brought you down to come and be my guardian angel. Thank you.
It's my blood now. It's my blood. See what you did.
Side is big.
Not
lie. Joe!
It's a whole belly.
That's so you too much.
Don't worry. If I go work tomorrow, come back, I go bring more, come give you.
Bless you. Bless you. Grace you. You see it? Babe, see all these things when you do, you know they waste time. They invest. One day, jungle go mature, I go get job. And I go rise, I go take care of you. Now future you dey invest in, so you dey invest in our future.
I believe you there.
Nothing I go do with that.
If I don't believe you, waiting again now.
Your father. I love you till I die. See, anybody when you say our love not gonna make sense, you go sleep, eh?
You don't wake up now. They go chop and winch for night.
You go shit for toilet, a snake go bite you. My love. So where are you heading to?
You're very close from your shop.
Oh, yes, so I just closed. I said, let me quickly see my love before I go.
And I was on my way to your shop.
Are you serious?
Yes.
That is good. So now that we met somewhere, why don't we just go to my house?
To your house? Okay, but before then, where is the money you said you're going to give to me today?
Yeah. Come on. Yes, I know I promised you money. At least you should have asked me how was work today? Have you eaten? Did you make some money at work today? Not anytime you see me, where's the money? Am I owing you? Are we quarreling?
Baby, take it easy now.
It's not taking it easy. You're just too conscious of money, eh? Money. You're not making me believe you don't love me. Oh.
I love you now.
Anyway, I have the money. I have it. I will know that anything I promise, I will always do it.
Because there be some nylon.
Come here. At least you have give me one sweet kiss and say
you've gotten enough of it.
For the stress we went through today in the office.
Where are you going to looking gorgeous?
Well, Father, having found favor in the sight of the royal household, the Queen personally invited me over to the palace to spend some time with the prince and get to know him better.
That sounds quite interesting.
With that being said, you're looking at the future queen of this great kingdom.
Oh, yes. Akugo. Like father, like daughter.
Oh.
You are my precious gold. And I know that one day you will make me proud.
You can say that again, Father. Okay, Father, let me run along. You know, it is not good to keep the royal household waiting.
Please, keep going.
How do I look, Father?
Your Majesty.
I'm shining splendid.
Your Majesty. Ah, that's wonderful.
What is this place so unkept? Please get a broom and sweep this place. Yes.
Wow.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my dear. Who do we have here? My dear, you look so elegant.
As always. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Please, let's go in. The prince is inside.
Okay. Well, I enjoyed the meal. Not like the maids really know how to cook.
The most important thing is that you enjoyed it, which you stated yourself.
Well, that shouldn't be the topic of our conversation.
Yeah. A proud lady like you should be the topic of our discussion. Not one maiden out there.
Right.
Yeah.
I guess you already know my name.
Through my mother, yes? But it won't be bad if you tell me yourself. Would it?
No, I don't think so. Well, my name is Chinere, daughter to the one and only personal advisor to the king and the future queen of this kingdom.
I just asked for your name.
Come off it. Knowing other things about me won't hurt, would it?
Absolutely not.
I thought as much. Okay. Well, I know you may be thinking that I am not up to your standard, but I must tell you that other men will kill to have me. Yes, because my father gave me the best education ever. I graduated from one of the best universities in Nigeria. Then I went abroad for my master's. So
I am not other men. Yes, I am not them. As you can see, I need to rest now. Okay? I will see you some other time.
isn't it too early for you to start running away from me?
I do not understand.
son? Thinking about her already?
Thinking about who?
Chinenye, of course.
Why will I think about her?
Because she's a wife to be.
Mom, I don't know how you and my father found this girl. But I don't see any connection between us anytime soon. I don't see it at all.
I don't get it. What are you talking about? What do you mean this? You don't see any connection between you two anytime soon? What do you mean by that?
Tell me, how did it go? They want to know.
Father,
Yeah.
I know you've been dying to know about it.
Of course.
Well, it went well.
I hope the prince liked you.
Of course it did. But he was acting a little bit hard. You know how men are.
No, of course I do. I can't wait to become an in-law to the royal household.
Neither can I wait to become the queen of this great kingdom.
Oh, Malichawa. My eagle's egg. In fact, my foreign money. Oh, you are. You're too much, man.
Father, you're making me look like the queen already.
You are already.
I know.
You know, Joel, you are one already, I know. Join me, why not? Join me.
Oh, pleasure.
It's something. It's from father to daughter.
Oh.
We'll get there.
So.
So.
You tell me say they go carry road. God, don't pass your tete. Some naga. They go, we go. God, you my money now.
I know they carry the woman. Carry me go stop for what? See me stop. If not, she, I know will give you.
You say waiting. Say no, give my money. My own money. What's
wrong with you now?
What's your
problem?
What's the problem? Okay.
What is it? What's the problem now?
Okay, leave my money today.
Don't stop me for wasting me. Stop me. What's your problem?
I say you problem, money guy.
Huh?
What's the problem now?
Don't stop me for wasting me.
Stop me.
Stop me.
Okay, you have the money.
Don't stop me for wasting me. Stop me.
You can have them. I don't work for you.
Huh?
No, I don't work for you.
Stop me for wasting me. Stop me.
I don't work for you. Is that like my money? Like my money where?
What's wrong with you now?
Now.
See, stop what it's
now. I don't pass me not that now.
Young lady. It's okay. Young lady, it's okay. Come, please.
Stop me
for wasting me. Stop me. I'll give you your money. I'll give you your money.
Please, drop this.
Stop me for wasting me. Stop me now.
Drop this, okay?
Okay, who you be now?
Please come close, okay?
Call him, but now who you be?
What is the problem?
What's it concern you, guy?
Because I want to help.
You wanna help?
Yes. Please.
You wanna help?
Yeah.
Can I have the money?
Huh?
Give my money. Because I the
Okay, come.
What do you want? It's okay. I don't know how to I get away. Bros.
How much is it? How much is
Bros,
it?
they may come.
Tell me, how much is it?
They may come, guy.
Hold on. So, how much is it?
Okay, give me my money.
How much is
Can
it?
you may come now? Give me my money. Get in that car.
I'm here to help you. How much is it? Hold on. Hold on. I am not the one who entered your car, okay?
He's saying,
I am not the one who entered your car. I'm here to help.
he didn't tell me, say, no, you enter my car. Okay, get my money now. I never complete now. Okay,
How much is it? Hold on.
Oga.
Hey.
Oga.
You don't do this, okay?
Oh, guys, if you don't do this.
Don't do this.
Yeah, if you don't give me this money, guy, out of me and you, one person go there grand.
Come on, be
Then the
civilized.
money go surplus now.
Be civilized.
Okay,
come on.
make it now. I said, they're civilized.
Civilized.
Guys,
come on.
they're civilized.
How much is it?
Guys, give me my money.
Hey, don't do this. Don't
Give
do
my money, guys.
Don't do that.
Oh,
Don't do
God.
that. Don't do that.
Oh, guys, give me my money now.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay?
Come
Come on. Okay.
Give my money. Give my money.
Obi. Ain't get me now.
Nah. Kata's all last now. We're gonna have you. What's this up now?
Bad.
And that.
Hey, wait. One name.
Obi. I said my God doesn't deserve now. How they go for you today?
We're not to know.
Don't chow.
As you can see, nothing is happening. I'm eating granite.
Hi.
Since there is no food.
You see him.
What am I going to do now?
Day one. Now one will be. I day we are day. Now the thing hits me. Organic. I say never chop. Because I never chop. It hits me. I say bam 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 bam. Customers park here one side. Come here for the love of my life.
Oh, Guinea. Oh, Guinea.
Are they come?
Ah! That's so. Follow go.
What now?
A bag
So I
everywhere.
bring this one, maize and chow now. Chow lunch. Me for whole body. If nothing there, belly, body no fit work. So I bring that for you. Ah! I too love you. I too love you.
I could die for you.
I too love you.
Thank you.
Hello, what if Nayana? What if Nayana make me fire?
All this one for food.
What if Nayana make me fire?
Too much. It too much.
Nothing Igbo my kwaso. Guy, approve Igbo.
Adahia.
Guy approve Igbo. You want Igbo?
Adahia. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, make I go, eh? I get customers plenty. Then they holler me, then they call us in guys.
May God continue to bless you.
Amen.
Your car will never go to mechanic again.
Amen.
No accident will.
All be most to go now. Anything when I do for you, I do it for myself.
Investment.
I gonna po pari paso. Enyendeba, waneyendeba.
Osi.
Adikwaka nwoke na nwaanyị ọ na-ezi.
Ogini.
Nwanne.
Ogini.
Kanwa.
One thing ọzọ here now.
I go see you later. Very bad.
Papa Chinega here.
Approve Igbo guy.
Hey, investment. Ada here.
Why must you test me now? Why must you test me now?
Where have you been since morning?
I went to attend to something very important.
Come on, Jeff. What can be so important that it supersedes your being together? I mean, spending time with your fiancé. Very soon, both of you are going to live together as husband and wife.
But I do not like her.
Well, that is understandable. I mean, you don't need to like her now. With time, you will grow to love her. Besides, you really do not have any option because she's your father's choice.
Love is not by force, Igwe. Love is from heart. Oh no.
What is the secret?
Hey!
I don't know.
Mama.
Someone is extremely happy today.
Mama, what? Chiga.
What is the secret?
Are you mara? You what idea?
I'm a mama.
Go. Enter inside, bring for my chop.
Let me finish.
No worry, I go help you. I go finish her, eh?
No finish her.
Hunger they wire me like this.
Go and get her food, quick.
Hey. Nah, eh.
My daughter, I wanted to ask how was today, but it is obvious. Today went well.
I'm here for one year now. Kiana cousin.
Mama,
you don't take your medicine. You don't call her.
my daughter, I am tired of taking the medicine. Every morning, every afternoon, every night. Hi.
You could swallow around.
God have
You
mercy on me.
You did alive for us. You're not bamboo. We try. You go.
Come, I don't understand you. What are you even saying? What point are you trying to make now?
Okay. What I'm saying here is that why are you heartless? Eh? Why are you collecting money from another girl and be giving it to another girl? Is it good?
Me heartless?
Yes.
I don't understand. How am I collecting money from one girl, giving it to another girl? I don't collect any money from any girl. Okay, fine. If you're even talking about Ginika, she's the one giving me money. Most times, I don't even beg her money. She just gives me money on her own, and you expect me to reject it. You expect me to reject it? If you're in my position, will you reject such money?
I will never be in your position. I can never be in that position.
Of course, you can never be in that position because you're not a fine boy. I'm a fine boy, so she's paying for me being a fine boy. She's giving me money to take care of myself, so I'll be good for her. Eh? Yes. Come, see, stop it, oh. Stop painting me black, oh.
I'm not painting you any black. I'm just advising you as a good friend. Eh?
Are you really a good friend?
Yes, now.
Are you really? If you're a good friend, how come anytime she gives me this money and I'll take you out, we'll drink, we'll eat, you won't tell me you will not eat because the money is from her?
Have you ever told me that money is coming from her? If you ever say, if I hear it from you, I will never eat that thing.
All right, very good, very good. Henceforth, any money I'm spending in buying food, in buying drinks that we eat together is from her. So please stop. Yes. Whenever you see me eating or drinking, that money I use in buying that food and that drink is from her. So please don't share with me anymore. Okay? Okay, say yes now. Ha. What is ha? You are just being jealous. Listen, go and be rubbing cream so that you'll be light like I am. So that you see one girl in this place that will be giving you money.
I have a girlfriend.
Yeah.
If I
stop saying that. Your girlfriend is in there. Boo boo. Look at you. Beautiful girl. Come. So you told me when you're coming you bring food for me.
I don't understand. With which money will I use and cook the food for you?
Must you take everything serious?
Yes, I must.
But you know I was just joking. Come on, you know I love you so much. And I wouldn't want anything to stress you at all. I won't even allow you to cook when the money comes. So listen, all I want is to make good money, take you to the city. See this your skin. I'll buy good cream. You rub cream and be sparkling. Everybody in this village will see and say, somebody's taking good care of this girl. Get married to you and be happy. That's my plans for you.
Just talk. Every day, talk. You will marry me. You will take me to the city. You will give me money to rub cream. Don't you think this is taking so much time?
How? Am I not doing my best? I'm working so hard to get all these things achieved. Come on, at least just praise me for once. I'm trying.
You are. But my love, I have a very sweet idea. I have a sweet idea for you now.
All right, come on, say it. I'm listening.
Okay. Why don't we make some money and relocate to the city and get a better paying job over there?
All right, so what happened to our marriage?
Listen, we'll get a very good paying job and then we can make enough money, return to the village and
have a big marriage. A very big one. Yes.
You're right. You're right. You see why every day I keep saying thank you, Jesus, for bringing you into my life. Eh? Very smart, very encouraging, very. Come on, give it to me. Just such a blessing in my life.
I know. That's why you need me.
Yeah, but at the same time, I really want us to relocate to the city, but it's not easy. Relocating to the city, we need big money because when we get there, we have to pay for accommodation. We need money to settle down and start life even before looking for a job. And this little I'm getting these days, I'm using to take care of myself and my family. So it's really not enough for us to relocate to Lagos now.
I understand very well. And this is where I come in. Now, all you need to do is to be getting money now. You'll be giving it to me. I'll be saving it somewhere for us.
How?
You remember that my cousin sister I told you that lives in the city?
Uh-huh.
She came back. And do you know what she told me? No. She told me that in the city, she owns a bank account.
Okay, fine. But how does that affect what we're talking about?
Very good. I will tell you exactly how it affects it. Now, you see those your daily money you make every day? Huh? All I want you to be doing from today henceforth is every day you'll be giving me 80% of your daily income. If you give it to me, I will give it to her. She will put it in her bank account for us.
Oh. You mean like a ajo?
Akawo.
Akawo. Like akawo. You gather, at the end of the day, you give
small. Yes. I know you need me in your life.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for this smart agenda.
I told you need me in your life. I told you.
By the time we gather this money,
yes,
we buy a very big car.
Yes.
We'll send them back to this village and see everywhere.
Exactly. You know what I'm talking about. By the time we make the money, we will come back to this village and we will do the biggest wedding in the village.
Enemy, all our enemy, and witches are with all of them. We'll cook
pepper them.
We'll cook
pepper them.
Buy big cow and everything.
Why is it worse?
To chop.
Exactly. Baby, you know what I'm talking about.
Come. Carry this, go give Timothy.
I'm washing.
You say what? They don't give you 2 seconds blindness before. You go blind. Nah. Stand up from there. Oh yeah, carry on. Go give Timothy. Tell us if it be 1 or 2, no fish show. You understand? But we'll see you later. No go there, go waste time. Bajeba. Aye, sir. Brother, Timothy.
Nneka.
Sir?
Good afternoon.
So, what do I owe this visit?
I brought food for you.
From Ginika, right?
Yes, she sent me. She could not come.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Tell her thank you. I appreciate so much. I know she's working by now.
Yes, she's very, very busy, so she sent me to
Workaholic. See, tell her she's the best. I said she's the best girl in the whole world. I tell her I love her so much.
I will tell her.
Tell her thank you from me.
All right, take care.
Papa, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
All right, so you can go now. Tell me thank you. Don't forget to tell her I love her so much.
I will.
And thank you for the food. All right.
Timothy.
Papa.
I hope you know what you're doing.
Papa, what am I doing? Papa, if you want to eat from the food, tell me you want to eat from the food. Tell me what I hope what am I doing? Am I a baby?
Son, what is it? You seem lost in thought.
Mom, nothing. I'm fine.
No, you're not. Look, young man, whatever it is that is disturbing you is not necessary at this time. Your marriage date will soon be fixed. You should concentrate.
Sorry. You see? Marriage what?
Your marriage date with the Onowo's daughter.
Mom, it seems you guys are not serious. You guys are just joking, right?
Joking? No, we are not. Please. Meanwhile, your father wants to see you.
I'll be with him shortly.
Let her fix whatever it is.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Gina, yeah.
Greetings, my friends.
How are you?
I'm very fine, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. Son, I guess I will leave both of you to do your thing. We'll continue our discussion some other time, okay?
Okay, Father. All right.
How are you doing, my prince?
I never invited you. Did I?
Look, my prince. The king clearly stated to me that I can visit the palace whenever I want. So, I don't need your invitation to visit.
I see. Why did you slap her? She just said sorry.
Please spare me that rubbish. If she can't carry out her duties diligently without making any mistakes, then she should quit her job. So other people who are more competent can get the job. Do you know how much this outfit costs? Sorry, ma. Sorry for your stupid self. I am sure they sell you and your entire miserable family. The money won't be enough to buy this outfit.
Listen, you don't just come here to talk to my workers anyhow. That won't happen. She just apologized to you and you still slapped her. What has come over you? What is it? Hey, you may go now.
Just get out.
Listen. I wouldn't want this to happen again. When people apologize to you, you let them go. Not being too harsh on them. And if this is how you behave, I'm sorry.
You needed to have seen what that lady said to me today. I've never been this humiliated all my entire life.
Which lady?
The lady that came looking for the prince.
Oh No's daughter. She's so saucy.
She even slapped me.
Ah? She slaps
Imagine.
you? No. But see, it's okay. That's not enough for you to cry. She does not want it. It's okay.
The prince should better not marry that lady. If not, we are all in soup in this palace.
Don't worry, I pray she won't marry her. Don't worry. Let's go. We have work to do. Let's go.
You don't understand. The prince still wants me.
Sorry.
My dear, why don't you be a gentleman and go drop Chinaya off?
Am I her driver? Mom, am I her driver?
I'm not saying you're her driver, but she's a wife to be. You need to treat her like a queen. Please, just go and drop her off. Please. Please.
All right. Okay, well, all right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Love is not by force. Love is from heart. Oh no. Love is not by force. Love is from heart. 'Cause your choice is never my choice, yo. 'Cause your choice is not my choice, yo. Prince, you must marry her. Whether you like her or not, I have spoken. You must marry her. I don't care how you feel. You must marry her. Her character is nothing. You must marry her. Oh, my son, her character is nothing. You must marry her. She's arrogant, full of herself. She's not my kind of woman. She's arrogant, full of herself. She's not my kind of woman.
My friend, that's the prince that just dropped you. Of course. Eh? So the prince is in love with you? Madly in love. My friend, come and give me the whole gist. You know I'm your friend now. Just me.
Why do you like gossip so much?
Huh? Why? Forget that thing. How long has this been going on?
Well, since he returned.
Hey, you're so lucky. I wish I'm the one. So very soon you're going to be the queen of this land.
Oh, sweetheart, you can never be the one. Because the prince doesn't need an illiterate around him. He needs a well-educated and smart woman like me. Because I have acquired the best education in Nigeria and abroad. So you see?
Hey! Why are you like this? Why is it that you always bully and intimidate people with your level of education?
Oh, my sweetheart, I am so sorry if you feel bullied and intimidated. I am just being proud of who I am.
It's never your fault.
It can never be my fault, baby. Look at this one.
Hey! What am I out? It's not your fault.
Sister, I want to ask you something.
Give me that.
Do you love Timothy that much that you can do anything for him?
Now, George, you yourself when they hear no say, I know they carry Timo joke. Hi, I too love that boy. I too love him. And I know Sasa tell love her. Now so he take love me too. The guy love me die. Why you ask?
What if someone told you he's cheating on you? What will you do?
Before the person go talk and finish, that's I go use blow scatter in teeth. Me joke or swasi ayon. Say my Timo they run something with another girl.
See, sister, when I went to give him food, I saw a lady leaving the compound. And it's not the first time I'm seeing him with her. Yes.
Okay. Are you with the person? Are you with the somebody who go tell me saying they see another woman? Now you be the what if?
If not be say my sister, Maggie phone now. That's a Maggie phone now. Mangoton wigi. Say my Timo. You know what I be sister? You know all your family members, you know the one by one. If you be sister, if you be friend, or what of this? What? Not tell me what I no one here. Not try am.
Sister, I don't.
Take her whoever. Watch it on animal. Guys, Maggie phone now, Nishi. Let me call you after.
What is really going on? Does it mean that the king is deceiving me or what? Or is it that my daughter is not romantic enough? Well, let me not say a word yet. Because there is nothing on earth that will make my daughter not be the queen of this kingdom. Mbano. It won't happen. It's all right.
Everything is not alright, so I'm having headache.
Hey, sorry, you don't take medicine.
I have no money to buy drugs now. This is money, 1 chicken, 1 naira. No work.
Okay, I guess no money. I just rush go come and buy medicine, can't give you now. They come.
No, don't worry. Just if you buy it now, you take these drugs now. It will break me down. So don't worry. When I'm going home, I'll buy it. And moreover, I don't want to buy fake. There's a particular shop they sell original drugs. You give me the money, I'll buy it by myself, and I will take it when I'm about to sleep.
You sure say go buy it?
Trust me. Sure.
Voila. Wait till I make I don't forget work. I go there here with you. When you finish, we go house together. Yeah?
Baby, you need to work. Not be won't help me so with money, so if you don't work, how the money won't come?
You shake your head and I get headache.
So just go to work later. I'll be fine. I'll take care of myself. Solve the bigger part of the problem.
You did sure say you go take care.
No, I'm sure. I don't lie for you before. Everything for drugs.
You go chop now. Who won't take drugs, no go chop. You go chop. This one take by medicine. This one take by food.
I feel like crying right now.
No cry.
You're too good.
No cry.
What would I have done without you? See, I owe you my life. Anything was supposed to kill you may break my leg.
So.
Your heart pure, white. Go back to work. I'll take care of myself.
That one day now. I think I say I go. I'll come back and check on you. But if you know day shop, I will just pilot down to your house and check on you.
Okay. But I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
I'm
sure.
Oh, back 50K. Bad. Oh, see, you just spoke between them. One side of the bed. You don't meow.
Factory fitted. No life code. Original. Baby. Baby. Where are you? Alright, get ready. Wait for me at that junction, I'm coming over. Let me spoil you a little.
Let's go. It's closing time. Don't go to work.
Oh, baby. This money is small, Kwanu. What's it supposed to get for me?
Yes, I know it's small. Eh? But at least you should have said thank you. Thank you for giving you something. See, this is the whole money I made today at work and I'm giving it to you. And you say thank you first, you appreciate it. See, nothing. I don't have any other thing on me. And I don't even know if I will eat later in the day. Stop. Is the money really small? Is it really small?
See, let me tell you, if you don't take care of me, if you fail to be taking care of me, I'll just leave you. I'll leave you in this relationship.
No, it doesn't go to be that way. Why will you say that now? Eh? Do you want me to die? You know, without you, I will die. I can't survive. No. Answer that question. Do you want me to die? Is that what you want from me? No. So don't even say it again. No. Say you are sorry.
Please, bye. I'll see you later.
We touch you on the first lane. You are robbing Peter to pay Paul. Hey, Jimmy, Jojo. If I check up on you are robbing Peter to pay Paul. You prefer fakey instead of original because of appearance. If I check up on you, Robin Peter to paper.
Jeff, I have a meeting with the elders tomorrow, and the singular agenda for that meeting is for us to decide an appropriate time, date for you to get married.
Dad, you chose a wife for me. Now you want to choose a date for me as well.
Come on, Jeff. I am just informing you, just for information's sake. I mean, I don't need your opinion for that.
Dad, why are you doing this? Do you have to do this all the time? Do we have to continue talking about these things? That this is my life. I'm the one to live it. I'm the one to live with a woman. Allow me to marry whom I want to marry. Why don't you care about my feelings? Have you ever asked me if I ever loved this girl?
Aha. That is it. Look, son. You don't need to love her. Look, let me tell you, son. A great king is one who is devoid of emotional feelings. I mean, unnecessary emotional attachment to things. What you need is a woman that is smart and intelligent, that can support you to be a successful king. Okay?
Dad. I am not going to marry Chinenye. She's not my type of woman. She's not my spec. She's not my type of woman.
Jeff, you are going to marry her, whether you like it or not.
Mom, this rubbish has to stop. No. This nonsense has to stop. Must you guys push me to marry someone that I do not? Eh? This is my life. I'm the one to live it. I'm the one to choose whom I want to marry.
So we want the best for you.
If you really want the best for me, then do not ask me to marry Chinenye. Do not ask me to marry that sport brat. That arrogant brat.
Oh, Chinenye is a...
She's sport. Or maybe single. This girl I'm talking about, Anaguni. Mom, I am not going to marry her. Period.
So when did you become this hot-tempered?
Since you and Dad start poking into my life, into my business, into my personal affair. It's not right now. You people are really pushing me so hard to get into fire. But I refuse to get into that fire. And you're still pushing me so hard. Kokulem. I jump and pass.
Now, calm down.
Why should I calm down? Eh? Mom, I should calm down. Kokulem woman now.
I don't understand. Is it that you don't want to get married at all? Son? Son?
How are you?
Oga, what's happened?
Nothing.
Why you dey follow me?
I've been following you from the junction where you picked that lady.
Guy, now who's saying you? Make we reason one-on-one now. Who's saying you make the monitor me?
Nobody sent me. I came on my own. How are you?
Okay. Chop your saliva. I say make you chop your saliva. Don't they follow me?
Have you eaten? Huh? Are you thirsty? Kind of anything?
That's Nchi Yamma Pakagese.
Wow.
And I asked him, how are you?
Can I at least
Hey, hold it. What is it? What are you doing here? Must you always show your face around here? Must you?
Why are you being so hard on yourself? I am only here for us to talk.
You know what? I am not ready to talk anything now.
Where is he coming from dressed like that?
Mama? Tinyam granite n'aka nwoke m. What is it?
Mama, what do you think about Timothy?
Which Timothy?
Sister Gillica's boyfriend. What do you think about him?
Timothy is a good person. Well trained and educated as well.
Do you think he's going to marry my sister?
It's left for God though. If two of them love themselves to get married, I will not stop my daughter. Yes, I won't stop her. But you know, my daughter is a hard-working girl. And she deserves someone that will love and cherish her.
And you think Timothy is the right man for my sister?
Timothy.
Sister, welcome.
Ada.
You're
welcome.
Why?
Oh, you're welcome. Sorry, you're welcome. It's your neck paining you. You're welcome. The mom. Bia, neka bachata ya granite. Bachata osiso. What do you call half granite aka so get tafo? Oka mma ngi.
Onwe na ate na agba ya n'ime.
Onwe ihe ọma.
Look, woman, talk to your son. Tell him not to test my patience. I've gone through a great deal of trouble to look for a very fine wife for him. And he must marry that woman.
Calm down, my lord. Calm down, please. Let's take it easy on him. He might have his reasons.
He has no reason. Absolutely no reason for rejecting the woman I have found for him. Look, that lady has been waiting for him for years, and he dares not disappoint her.
Take it easy, my lord. I will talk to him.
You better do before I lose my patience.
See you tomorrow.
I don't understand. Are you not saying me off?
As what? Listen, I will soon become the future queen of this great kingdom. You don't expect me to be stressing myself.
Really? So you cannot see me off? I left everything I was doing at home just to come and visit you. And here you are telling me that you want to be the future queen of this land. Like seriously?
You are the one who decided to come visit me. Did I beg you? Oh, I'm sure I didn't. So listen, let me tell you. If I were you, I will make sure I do everything within my powers to make sure this friendship works. Because it is not easy to be friends with the future queen of this kingdom. See?
It's never your fault. It's never your fault.
Son, what is wrong with you? Do you want your father's anger to rise against you?
If my father's anger should rise because I do not want to marry Chinenye, so be it.
Do not say that. I and your father made the best choice for you.
That choice is not good enough. That girl is saucy. She's arrogant. She does not have what I want in a woman. She's saucy. She's too proud of herself. Mom, I can't deal with that girl.
Seriously?
Yes, I'm serious. Very, very serious.
Don't worry, my son. I'm definitely going to talk to her and she will change. I'll show you of that.
Whatever. Whatever. Yeah, I'm a man.
Timothy, my son, you see, in this life, one needs to plan himself very well.
Papa? Papa, good evening.
Good evening, my daughter. How are you?
My dear, alright. I dey find Timo.
Okay, Timothy. He's not around.
But I go in shop, you know the shop. Where you come go?
Well, maybe he went to attend to something very important.
Okay, Papa. I beg, help me give him.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Papa. Make I dey go.
It's okay.
Okay, Papa.
Thank you. I will tell you. Hey, what a very good girl. I wish Timothy would. No, make a time and bring this girl to my house. Okay. Very good girl. Homely and humble. Timothy.
So, Papa, what's she looking for? Huh? What did she say?
Timothy, my son. You see, when I was young like you, I did not deceive women. I did not deceive any woman. But I don't know where you got this character from. Anyway, take it.
Papa.
You said I should give you, but I want to let you know that you will not value what you have until you lose it.
Usani Boo Boo. The motivational speaker. Papa, see, I don't know what you're talking about. Me, I am not deceiving anybody. Okay? I'm not deceiving anybody.
Timothy, listen.
It's not my fault I'm a fine boy.
Listen and listen good. He who fetched firewood of ants invites lizard for a visit. Wake up from your slumber, Timothy, before you lose a precious gold while picking stone. I've told you.
Papa, may God not allow me to lose my precious gold while picking stone.
Well, that is it. Everything is in your hand.
Thank you, Papa.
You are now pounding.
It is because of all these rules and regulations you were very careful, but that's why you didn't build good house.
You are now pounding. I will know where you keep the pistol afterwards. Yes, Papa, I did not build. I did not build, but I have you as my asset. Since I have you, if you now fail to build, that means you are a bundle of disappointment. It's okay.
Your Majesty, what is really going on? Because I thought that by now we would have been done with this marriage.
Oh no. I thought so myself. But my son is a little bit uncomfortable that the speed with which we are going about things is rather too much.
How do you mean by Your Majesty? Is it that he doesn't like my daughter?
Oh no. You worry too much. Look, let's give them time to get acquainted and perhaps fall head over heels with themselves. You know, my son is just being a man. He will come around. Okay, trust me.
Of course, I trust you.
So, tell your daughter to be a little bit patient, okay? There's no cause for worry. Everything will be all right.
It's okay. It's okay, Your Majesty. It's okay.
So how's the family?
Well, so. It's been well. Just that this thing has been bothering me. But it's okay. It's okay.
Oh no.
It's one of those things. So how's it been?
I'm fine. Father.
Yes.
How did the meeting go?
Well, from what the king said, I do not see the marriage holding anytime soon.
How?
He said you and the prince need more time to yourselves.
We don't need any time. We are perfectly fine.
Look, for the few periods you have been with the prince, how has his reaction been?
Look, Father, I will not lie to you. He has been so arrogant. He looks for every means to find fault in whatever I do or say. I don't like to say this, but I don't think he loves me.
Don't say that. Whether he loves you or not, he must marry you. Look, the king does not go back on his words. So relax. Don't stress it at all.
I have the best father in the whole world.
Oh yes, you can say that again. I will do anything for you, you know that.
Thank you so much, Father.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'll be inside.
Sure.
Mama, no. He get one thing I don dey monitor since. I just say make I dey sure first if I will carry and come reason with you.
What is it, my daughter? I hope you are not pregnant. Because if you are pregnant outside the wedlock, you know the consequences in this village.
Mama, did you just say pregnancy? Sister, don't tell me that you are pregnant for that shit of a man.
Neka. Come. Let's see this way you talk now. I dey reason now.
Hey, you see?
You dey crazy.
You dey meant? You dey crazy? What my wound you? Huh?
No, please stop.
Now my mind dey call that kind name. You dey crazy?
But you know I'm saying the truth.
Chalo. Okay, you don't chop belle. If you go now for now, if you go for, so you're causing him to my man then.
I don't see as I know when I want to talk. I won't come out. Try that next time.
Mama, you did not say anything. You did not tell her to stop beating me.
What do you want me to say? Tell her to stop beating you.
Yes.
Where your mouth is running.
But I'm saying the truth. I know what I saw.
Neka, come. What did you say?
Mama, I saw Timothy with another girl. And the girl doesn't look like his sister. Yes, but sister doesn't want to believe me because she's blindfolded by his stupid love. What kind of love is that?
Neka.
Mama.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Mama, I'm so sure. Hey.
I can't lie. What I tell you?
I'm saying the truth.
Timothy.
My queen, this one you paid me a visit today. I hope all is well.
No, all is well. I and my husband chose your daughter for our son. I know everybody expects him to like her immediately, but things are not done that way.
My queen, I really do not exactly understand what you are trying to say.
No, what I'm trying to say is that my son has complained about your daughter's character. Some of the characters she exhibits and he's not comfortable with it. I just want you to talk to her.
Really?
Yes.
I am sorry, my queen. I know there must be a mix-up somewhere. Because I know I trained my daughter very well.
Oh no, I'm not saying you did not train your daughter very well. She must have gone to the best university in the world, but home training is still very important. And these things are not taught in school. Oh no. If you want this marriage to work, address this issue immediately.
My queen, I will talk to my daughter. But I must also let you know that I sent my daughter to one of the best universities in this country.
Oh no, we know that. And that was why she was chosen for my son. But you have to address this issue. I won't let my son marry a girl that is not competent enough. Oh? Yes. No. No. If you really want this marriage to work, I want you to address this issue immediately.
So that woman has the nerves to walk into this compound to tell you that I do not have home training.
That was exactly what she said.
If I don't have home training, what about her son? He lacks home training. Totally lacks it. He doesn't have one.
I wonder.
I don't blame her. So because she's the queen, she feels she can talk to anyone, anyhow she likes.
Don't blame her.
I know why I'm keeping quiet. I know. Because I do want to view my chances of becoming the future queen of this kingdom. Else! But not to worry. When I enter that palace, I will surely put her in her place. That is a promise I must fulfill.
That is my daughter talking. That is my daughter. My foreign money. Eh? My ego's egg. Her father's daughter. That is it.
Father, you sure know how to make me smile.
What do you expect?
You got you on the first lane. You are robbing Peter to pay
I'm already missing you.
Don't miss me because I'm coming back here tomorrow.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yes, so...
This money. Take half of this money. Go and buy yourself anything you want. Then the remaining half, set up accounts. Our future plan.
Okay.
Huh?
Yes,
all right,
love. I'll do that. Inside that our account. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'll do that. Hey. Baby, thank you. Thank you so much.
You know I love you so much. I'll do anything to put a smile on your face. I work so hard to make you happy. Please, don't disappoint me.
I won't.
I will love you to the end of time. Come on, I want to take care of you and make you the envious of all women in this village.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you, my love. I trust you. Thank you so much.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Okay.
See, listen, keep that thing very well.
I will. I'll keep it very
when
well.
you go home, just go straight. Anybody are doing, don't look at that direction. Eh?
Just one thing. Sister.
I want to ask you something. Tell me that. All the money that you used to give me to go and give Mama Divine. What is it for?
Oh. Money now. And they save us small. 10 naira, 20 naira. I'm not going there.
Okay. So you want to use it and travel to the city?
Travel go where? Travel go where? I don't travel go anywhere. I go make they save and small for me. So that all buibu of ma. Where? Give on to my Timo.
Eh?
Yeah, now.
Wait. You are saving money to give to Timothy to come and pay for your bride price. Who does that?
Who does that?
Sister, it is not possible. Yes, it's not right. How can you save money and give to Timothy to come and pay for your bride price? He should do that, not you.
Nega, look at me from my head to toe. From up to bottom. I'm over one. Just calculate see all my mates. How many of the way go see stay there at Papa house? No only gonna come one. All of them actually go up. Chiba ne bedi. Of am weba. I know here I won't carry.
Sister, let me tell you, you don't have any mate. Yes, you are you. See, God is going to send a good husband to you. Not Timothy that cheats with another woman.
Neka. A jigo equal Sunday service band. Band there your friend na Sunday. A jigo equal that band before. That's inquiry. Inquiry. Can you eku? Timothy carry am. You know Timo pass me. Timo tell you Timothy no fit even start anything we go just come pinch me for body. As you see this leg why they waka like this. Only ego. No fit do anything we go hurt me. And why I like that man. I too love him. Now is me joke. Don't you ever try it again. If you try it, you no go like yourself. Nonsense. One day when you meet back, I go Garia. Sorry. Epenka. Mablo no yeto gologo. In my head relationship. I'm not gonna be the relationship. Garia go now. We'll finish it. I'll finish it alone.
Timothy, Papa, you are my son. And as a father, I have to advise you. It's my duty to advise you. Okay? Whether for good or for bad. And if I fail to do this, which means I have failed in my responsibility. And whatever you do, whether good or bad, it will be traced to me. Then that brings me to what I want to tell you now. I want you to pay great attention to it.
Okay, Papa, I'm listening.
You see, in this life, one needs to go for what he or she wants. Which means whatever you want, you go for it. Okay. You see, the way you are doing it right now, honestly, may either mar you or land you in doom.
Papa, what am I doing? You've not said anything.
Okay. Now, having an affair with two women, and you cannot predict or underestimate the power of women. If you dare hurt any of these girls, my dear, I bet you they might come after you and the end will not be too good.
Okay.
So that's it.
Thank you very much, Papa, for the advice. But at the same time, you are the only one saying it from that direction. Everybody in this village knows very well I love Ifeoma so much. She's the love of my life. She's the girl I want to get married to spend the rest of my life with. Ginika is a very good friend, old friend, and she has been helping me financially. So, Papa, don't worry. Don't worry, Papa. I'll handle everything. Everything is under control.
It's okay.
Yes.
If you are sincere in what you are saying, then go for the one you want and let one go. Do not say I did not warn you, my son.
All right.
I have told you.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you very much. Thank you for the advice.
This one you're smiling. Have you finally fallen in love with her?
Yes, I am.
Wow! This is good news. I'll let your father know at once.
Mom, we're not talking about Chineye here. Are we?
Of course we are. Then who?
I am in love with another.
Another? I'm lost. I don't understand. Your Majesty.
Yes.
Your son is seeing another woman.
What did you just say?
Exactly what you heard me say, Your Majesty.
That can't happen. It can't happen. What? God!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Get me the prince at once.
Okay, Your Majesty.
I just don't know why he can't see the beautiful Chineye and get married to her before another man does. I don't know what is wrong with that boy.
Let him come. Let him come.
Who is that?
It's the guard.
What do you want?
The king needs the presents immediately.
Where is he?
At the back on.
It's okay, I'll be there shortly.
Is it true that you are seeing another woman?
Dad, I do not have answer to your question.
You will have answer to that question. You will. Do you know what it will cost me and my kingdom if you don't get married to Onowu's daughter?
What of my happiness? Do you ever think of my happiness? What if I came home with a woman and kids? Are you going to send me away? Just because of your deal with Onowu?
Mind how you talk to your father, young man.
Mom, my happiness matters here. We're in 22nd century, for God's sake.
I will not repeat myself again. It's either you fix the date of your wedding to Onowu's daughter, or I'll be forced to fix it for you.
Nah, I know she has a very bad character, but you can change her, my son. That's what a good man does. You change the woman to what you want. Hey, Bikonu, for the sake of your father and I, please, my son.
Drunkenness in no reach everywhere. Hey, hey. Ginika don't follow Yakata. Victim of love. Oh. Yeah, Ginika man, you don't fall for love. Oh. Anything where you get to, you can give to him. You love him so much. It's a big love. Oh yeah, Chukwaya me do. Drunkenness in no reach everywhere in life. Ginika is deeply in love. Love it, you go yanya. Mumu for love.
Madam, bring more meat. Wow. See, please keep praying for me. Every morning I wake up and pray to God. For God to give me money so I can take care of you. Everything you have been doing for me.
Nice.
I want to take care of you. You have done so well. Oh! Zugo, Gozit. Zogina. Veggie down. Please, when you wake up in the morning, pray God. Give my God money. Bless him. Oh! Fire down.
And what's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of that?
Can't you see I'm here?
Meaning?
You should leave everything you're doing and give me the attention I deserve.
If you need attention, you know where to get it. Go back to your father's house and get all the attention you need.
You don't get to talk to me that way. I am your future queen.
And I'm the future king.
You will learn to respect me.
Respect is a reciprocal. It goes both ways. I cannot have a relationship with an arrogant, proud bitch like you. Now get out of this place. Get out of this place.
Are you asking me to leave?
You heard me right. Leave this palace.
Fine. I will leave. And I promise not to return until you come and apologize to me.
Your wildest dream. Wake
babe, do you want anything else?
Are they okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, in the absence of nothing, let her bring the bill. Madam!
Sir?
I never even call your name finish, you don't run, come. Call me. How much is the money?
4,000, sir.
Huh?
4,000.
You know what, babe, just clear the bill. I'll give you later. That's my CBN. Keep the change. That is it. In a gong to step.
Pay am after I go give you back. Now which time where I don't pay, when you say you give me back, when you give me back.
Baby, you are investing. Oh. This is investment. And gradually, you are becoming the biggest shareholder in this company. But don't worry. I might not pay you back soon, no, but later.
You see, Miss, I don't say, let me get you wholesale. Now wholesale, I go carry you.
Take me off. Take me off. Hey, now I'm fit.
I'm Richard now.
Let's go. Let's go and continue from where we stop.
Hi.
Sister. Hey, that reminds me. Sister, you were saying something about the man that approached you today. So, we are all ears.
I'm not going to believe him. He get one man, oh. He dey worry me. They worry me. Say he won't follow me talk. Today, I say make I hear what he want talk. I don't believe it in this man can tell me.
He loves you.
Mama, how you take no?
No man will not like a hard-working lady like you. A man only had a force. You think they are not seeing you? Eh? They are seeing you.
Hey, Nemo. You see this thing you just said now? It's making me to be happy. It's sweeting me. But you have to do something. You have to tell Timothy about it because he's blind.
What do you talk? You say waiting. Bia. Can you talk about Timothy back? Waiting can Timothy enter this matter now? Wokem inopam Naija. Makam failure.
Akafena. Nem.
Hey,
Efena.
Mama, stop.
Efena, that mad. Efena, oh.
Ma, bring up Timothy. Can you hear? Tell me what Timo don't do you now. What did he do you?
I'm sorry. I'll not say it.
Now the same thing they talk every time. You don't sorry. Hey,
Mama.
I'm gonna wound you for this house, oh.
Biko.
You want to
Osegene
happen? Akakuzena. Mechianoge.
Come mechu.
Oye kunata. To fia kwa. Hey.
Look, you make my sister. In a query, in a query. Metugaka. Akapakia.
Sister, I'm sorry. Okay, one name.
Okay, one name.
I'm sorry. You now.
I'll try him again.
Okbabu. Call this thing and give me.
Yeah, continue. Please. I need to talk again. You just want to provoke me now.
No verse.
Adamo. Why your mom? Ada obodo yibo. Tell us now.
Don't provoke me.
Oh, yeah, take orange.
Ada.
Take.
Tell us now. Eh?
Mama, help me beg her.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Tell us.
Eh?
I'm nothing to tell. I don't finish. Now let the story end.
But you said he said a whole lot of things. Sorry.
What's him? He said.
Mali Chanwa, this is my angel. Why is your face like this? Is anything wrong? Did anyone fight with you? Anyway, don't bother. Come and sit down. Come and sit. Come, just come and sit down, my angel. You're looking too serious. Is everything okay?
He asked me to leave.
Who?
The prince, of course.
Why?
Just because I asked him to give me the attention I needed. He called me arrogant and asked me to leave the palace.
This is the insult of the highest order.
Papa, I have told him that if he does not come here to apologize to me, he would never see me in that palace.
That's good. Anyway, you don't bother. I will call the king immediately and let him know the situation of things. Nonsense.
Father, if he does not come to this compound to apologize, I will call off this wedding. Because nobody insults me like that.
That's my angel. Don't bother. I know what to do. Just take it easy. Huh? And for you, take it easy because my daughter is the one talking here. Oh, wonderful.
Look, I'm your father. And so you must not disrespect me or ridicule my name. You must go immediately and apologize to that girl.
What? Father, I shouldn't do what? No, Father, I will not do that.
Oh, you will do it. As a matter of fact, you must. You must apologize to her.
Father, she's the one who offended me. And you want me to go and apologize? She should be the one to apologize. Not me.
Jeff, if you don't apologize to that girl and she calls off this marriage, I will never forgive you.
Oh, I see. Father, you want me to go and apologize to that girl? Just because you want to satisfy your selfish desire?
Jeff, you listen to me. If you don't apologize to that girl and get married to her, you will cease to be my son.
Mother, Father threatened to disown me because of that thing.
Jeffrey, you have to do as your father has said. I do not want him to disown you. Please, just go and apologize to her and everything will be fine.
Mother, I will never do that. Apologizing to that girl will make her feel that she has a special place in my heart. Apologizing to her will make her feel that she's so special. I will never do that.
Does it matter? Does it matter how she feels?
Mother, it matters a lot. I will never, ever, ever do that.
Please.
And that is final.
Even for your mother. You can't do this for me. Me. Can't I beg you for something?
Hey, get me something to drink.
Woman, talk to your son. Talk to him. I am not a man of many words. As I sit here right now, my patience is residing far away from me. So talk to him.
Calm down, Your Highness. Please. I'll talk some senses into him. Please. Take it easy, please.
Mom, if talking some senses into me is all about going to apologize to that girl, don't bother yourself.
My friend, shut up! Just shut your mouth! Look, Jeff, if you disrespect me one more time, and you will see the beast in me, is that understood?
Your Highness, please. Calm down. I'll talk to him, please.
You finally came to apologize.
And someone is too mannerless to greet. Anyway, I came to say I'm sorry for what happened the other day. And also for the way I asked you to leave the palace.
You're forgiven. Give me a hug.
Hey, hold it. Don't even try it. Okay? Don't even go there. Or you think I'm here on my own just to come and do this? No. My father forced me to. So, have a nice day.
Look at him.
Don't think I can young man. My father asked me to come and apologize to you.
Rubbish. The important thing is you apologized already. Rubbish.
Is that not the prince I saw driving out of a compound?
Thank God you're not blind.
Anyways, what did he came to do?
And what sort of stupid question is that? Well, let me answer your question. He came to apologize for not calling me this morning. And he also brought me a lot of goodies.
Really? So he apologized to you because he did not call you on phone?
Yes.
Eh? You're so lucky, oh. Alright. Where are the goodies?
Eh? Well, the goodies are meant for queens to be like me, not for commoners.
Hold on. Are you calling me a commoner?
You should be happy. Yes, you should be happy.
I should be happy that you called me a commoner. Hey! It's not your fault. Daluchi. Hey! Okay. Let me get
That's that much. Get it true. I like it. Ha. That did the first one. But be careful.
Yeah, sure.
This I won't want the prince to ask me questions. So. That's it. Thank you very much, my dear.
So he finally came to apologize.
I thought he was proving stubborn.
I thought so too.
So, I had them exactly where I want them.
How do you mean, Father?
You won't understand, my daughter. Please, just go and get me water. Water to melt this orange down.
Water on top orange.
It changes the system.
How are you?
What did they find for you?
I actually came to see you. Can you please give me like 10 minutes of your time so we can talk?
Oga, if why you dey find me, they pursue me for nyashi like easy insurance. Now to tell me say you like me, guy. I don't get that time. I don't get that time.
Can you please just give me a little time? Let's talk.
Guy, I say no now. I say no.
If you don't mind, please. Can we just talk over there? I know you have a boyfriend or whatever, but all I need is a chance from you.
I don't believe saying that this thing now where they talk. I stand here. They listen to the rubbish way they talk. That's in a kotu can nega second. In a kotu nega.
You know, things haven't been the same since the day I met you. Okay? It's you I want in my life. Please.
Wagant can korokos agema. And when my odogu, you know, be anyhow odogu. I don't feel live because say they carry that car. Come the shine out from my eye. I don't see you. I don't see your car. I don't feel leave my mouth for you, the yara.
Can we just be friends?
Based on just friends, so.
Just friends. Just friends.
As in, just friends, so.
Just friends.
Wanna.
Okay.
Make I go hustle.
Wait.
This now come work on the here. We don't do the discourse.
It's okay, but
Gangani Rafia. Okay, so you.
I would want you to take me to somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, kind of gaga now. I am already now. My work I come now. Kind of gaga now.
Okay. You know Jalingo Estate.
Okay, where them now, Maro? You know, get where I don't know for this. Let me go.
Okay.
That side now 3,500.
No worry, I'll make it 5,000. Okay?
What kind of? Okay. Kind of.
Oh my God.
You look worried. Is everything all right?
Everything is fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm fine.
You know you can confide in me. I am your mother, and you can talk to me.
Mom, please. I just told you that I'm fine. So stop pushing it.
Fine. At least come have lunch with me.
No, I'm not hungry.
You're joking, right?
I'm not joking. I'm not hungry.
Come on.
let's go eat. Please.
I know.
Is that you want make? See how make we talk?
Yes. There's something I want to tell you.
No, yeah.
A young man came here today. He came to tell me that he wants to marry you.
I don't understand. What did you can't tell him?
What else? I told him that the choice is not mine. But as a mother that I am, I will talk to you.
Wait. The person will come here. Ogwagafia. What did he talk say your name be?
You are right. Yes. Obioma. Yes. Obioma. Obioma. He said his name is Obioma. Emaya.
Okay. Oh.
Is that all you have to say?
Mama, I don't talk finish now. Wait till make I talk again. I don't talk finish. I don't know that person.
My daughter, listen to me. You are no longer a child. And as your mother, I cannot force you to marry someone you don't love. But all I'm saying is, at least, consider these suitors that are coming your way.
Mama, match break for dear beg.
Huh?
Match ya break. At least I want you be. Eh? I know now this place now you just one drive they go. Consider who? Who be that person? The person is Timothy. Or go see here Timo. Why you talk like this, Mama? You don't forget Timo. Mama, because what is it Kenabari? Kebe kwako. As it be so, God don't ready for heaven. Bless me and Timo union. He said, make we go into the world and multiply Mona Timo. I don't understand. If you no be Timo for this life, Mama, you no fit be anybody. You no fit be anybody. Now Timo, that God give me. So make other men just drive go hell. You not finish saying that Timo I want marry now.
So, what you're saying is that if it's not Timo, let every other person drive go hell, Abi. Let them drive go hell.
Mama, now what did I talk with that? You hear and where?
As if I'm not your mother.
Mama.
As if I don't know what is good for you.
Mama, if you are going here on the blackmailing. Eh? What I talk with that? I just talk say Natimu. You said no say Natimu. Natimu.
I have said my own.
We need to talk.
Come on, what is it? Huh?
Timothy.
What?
Just look at me.
Come on, you're beautiful. still the same beautiful girl. See, the most beautiful girl in this village. Nothing has changed. Huh?
Timothy, listen to me. Timothy, just look at me from head to toe. With my fine makeup, I don't have any hair that I can be flinging. I cannot look at my nails. Just look at my nails. Very ugly. Timothy, please, I need money to make my hair and my nails. Pikonyemi.
Right, so how much are we talking about?
20k.
Just
20k.
20k? When you are not replacing your head? Eh? What do you to it's not like they want to remove this head and put another one. You say 20,000 naira. Come on, you know my job is not bringing too much money now. Eh? Where will I get 20,000 naira for hair?
And who are you asking that stupid question? How is that my business? How? Please give me money. I'll talk about me change this because.
Yeah, sorry for what you know now. Eh? I don't have money. You have too many things at hand. Okay, fine. You can go inside that place, that account where our future savings is. You can just go take.
Don't say that again. I don't want to use my ear and hear it. I don't want to use my inner ear to hear what you just want to say. I should go to our savings and collect how much? Before you know it, go and collect 1,000, 10,000, 5,000. We will no longer have any savings for ourselves. It's not going to happen. No. Don't even mention that savings again at all. I said I want to make my hair and my nails. And I need the money. I don't care where you're going to, how or where and when you're going to get it. All I know is that I want the money now. Okay, Bunka.
Cool.
Please,
What is her now? What is her?
Please, I need to be fresh. Baby girl, I'm not asking you for money for cream or anything. I just say money to make my hair, and my nails.
So you are okay like this, oh? You are okay like this. I like you like this, oh. Leave all these artificial things, oh. They are not good for women. See, tradition, everything fresh. This hair, you are better off like this than all those many things they wear on their hair, oh.
Are you sure you want this relationship to work? You come make easy.
No, let me. Oh, I know what. Let me see what I can
do. Do something. Anything you can do. Find that thing you can do fast. Please.
I'll be washing the clothes and let me quickly make this.
Me wash your clothes. Please, I can't. My baby girl. Baby girls don't wash clothes. Please. I should not wash clothes. No sense. To end of today, I must get my long hair.
Hello? Yeah, see, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. I don't know what is happening these days, eh? Yes, now my machine in the workshop, the engine got knocked now.
Hi. So, how you go take do am now? Can you find me far?
See, there is no money to buy a new engine now. So the only thing I can do now is, if I can get some money now, I'll go and repair it, so I can start working again. Wow, thank you very much. Thank you. What will I do without you? Thank you. My guinea, very good. All right, no, I'll see you later now. Yeah, man. Okay. All right. Come. You have to start giving me respect. Eh? Not only for now, you become pushing me. Look at you, almost use your knee to enjoy my lip gloss now.
Sorry.
Don't worry, I will give you the money. But listen, you know this nail fixing and this hair you want to fix. There are two projects. I cannot carry the two projects at the same time. You have to fix your hair first and leave the nails. When I have money, I will give you that one. I will raise the 20,000 naira and give it to go and fix hair. I don't know why you use 20,000 naira to fix hair when they are not replacing the hair, removing it and bringing another head.
This is what I like, oh. Pikokwa. It's what I like.
It's not what you like, oh. Natural is still the best too. Carry your natural hair. That's why everything natural is better.
Please don't even raise your voice because I'm already angry. I need money. You can't bamba. Raise room voice.
It's alright, no problem. Don't worry. I said shortly now. The money
please,
will come
shortly.
now.
I need the money right now, please.
Alright, you help me finish watching this thing.
Help me finish watching what?
Let me go and buy you more.
So you brought the money. You're bringing the money.
I'll bring it shortly. You don't understand English again.
I understand. Baby, why you angry?
Don't baby me.
Why you angry?
Don't baby. You almost pull off my lips just now because I told her I don't have money.
Sorry, now you know I want you to work hard so that I will make this money fast. I'm tired of this village. Yeah? Don't be angry. Just smile for me.
I've heard you watch this thing. Let me buy you malt. Which malt? Okay, no, I know the kind of malt you like.
Get one from the fridge.
I'm calling.
My baby.
Let me get one.
Always making me happy. Who came to a mall? Is it only wash clothes? Yeah. Don't you wash them? I'm by the malt. I'm here. Wait.
Sister. You look so lost. Is everything okay?
Don't make me feel. You need to know you're alright.
Nico, what is it? You can share with me. What is bothering you?
Nothing more.
Timo. Okay, what is it again?
You tell me saying machine spoil. The machine when they use work for shop spoil. I no get money where go use work out.
It's not your business now, so
this cap for you just leave am. Go pick am now. Now everything they go tell you.
It's not your business. It should not bother you. He's a man.
It's not my business.
If
you no concern me, who you concern? You don't forget, say Timo, me and Timo, God don't join us together. And I need to support her. Not the money. And the money be the problem like this, so. And I suppose being in backbone. I suppose they support her.
Sister.
If I not support her, waiting again.
Sister, you have supported him enough. In fact, more than enough. Okay, number one, the shop he has today, you opened it for him. Number two, the machine he's using today, you bought it for him too. Now it has spoiled. And you want to still give him money to fix it. No, now. You have tried.
I suppose even try more. Now I suppose try more. If I don't do it for her, what I go do it for? I suppose be everything to Ram.
My own is that you have tried for him. He's just playing and using you. Yes, so he's playing you. Timo is playing you.
Neka, this mark where they give you here, and care can give back. It be like say they enter your head. Make I run enter you. Or can we again now? Just can we again now? Keep it on him, eh? You dey crazy?
I'm sorry.
You know my problem now. No, let me change and give you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
And the reason wait.
So, how much are we talking about? How much now?
10,000 naira.
10,000?
So,
where are you planning to get that kind of money from?
I don't even know. I know Kukuma get who I won't borrow from. Nobody will dare to give me. Where I go tell and say, give me, oh, I will give you back, oh. Chai! Nah, yeah, Obirananjo. Obirananjo bifa.
I see.
How am?
Sister, I'm just saying all this because of you. It's just because I care. I have 3,000 naira. Yes, I have been saving it from the little money you do give me. I can give it to you. For one thing. Promise to pay me back.
See the good thing when you talk, you just can't spoil it.
You say you won't borrow money. I don't give you money. You will pay back. It's not free of charge. I cannot give you free of charge.
Wanna Maka? Is the one now, Maka?
Or used to give the beats me.
Yeah. Don't worry. And my hand they beat. I don't know my hand they come out from my body, can't land for your body.
They lie. You pay back. It's because of you, not Timo.
Not true.
Hey.
And because of me.
Just because you're my sister.
Hey.
If it's Timo, I will not give him. It's just because of you. You pay back. Hey. Sister, you pay back.
I go pay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I know say you go reach 4,000 or 5,000 where you don't save. I better bring them. You go reach. Don't go tell me everything now. I beg. Check on my mattress. So check out my bag. Inside her room, under her mattress there. Or for her rapper. All those kind of places where they put money. I beg. Find them for me. Now you are there for us now. You hear? This one no go stay complete. Kai. Love one tinty. Kai. One let's see what in love they do me. Hey. All right.
Drunkenness in no reach everywhere. Hey, hey. Guinea don't follow Yakata. Victim of love. Oh.
Hey. Some you pay back. Some my mama.
You love them so much. It's your big love for you. Drunkenness in no reach everywhere in life. Guinea is deeply in love. Love it you go yanya. Mumu for love.
Which one be who? Go give am to Timo now. Carry and go give am.
You should go by yourself, sister.
Yeah, I don't fit. You know, if I reach there, they ask me some kind of questions like say, why the money no complete, when I will complete, and all those kind of questions. I don't know if I go answer you about.
I don't understand. Are you his father? Is he not a man? Ha.
Yes, sorry.
You go love them, and they not gonna love you back. You go care for them.
They go now.
Cheat on you.
Tell us I will come see her, but they're busy. Come. He ask you. Just tell him, say, are they very busy? Are they badly busy? So I will come see him tomorrow, and I will bring the complete money. Oh?
It's on you, but now you're cross. You must carry a blindness there for love.
Now, if you drink water, it will enter my body.
You love them so much. Love you, you have to give them. Ask them whether you're there for you have to.
What's after you stop now? I'll tell you later, but let me just come inside. Yeah, Nick, how are you?
Why did you run off like that immediately you saw me?
Oh, yes, I forgot I didn't lock the front door. You know mosquito flies everywhere, so I had to go quickly lock it so that the mosquito and flies will not go inside. So how are you?
I'm fine. My sister sent me to bring this money for you.
Ah! Kinika, hard-working girl. What would I do without this girl? Hmm? Okay. It's not complete.
I don't understand. Is she your money-making machine? What do you mean it's not complete? Listen, you are a man, and it's time for you to stand up for yourself. It's not complete.
Not Paula. Huh? No. I will suddenly become mates. What's the meaning of that now? Why are you knocking on me like that? Come, are we quarreling?
Yes, we are. We are fighting.
What's the meaning of that?
Okay. And let me tell you something. I know something is not right about you, but for the meantime, let's keep pretending. I don't even know what my sister saw in you.
Please. Come. Sit back on you. I'll slap you.
Who was that girl?
Oh, that girl. Oh, she's my client's sister. So she actually brought this money for me.
Your client's sister? Then why did you ask me to hide?
Look at what you're saying. So you don't know I'm very smart. I'm a smart boy, smart Timothy. So you want that girl to meet you here now? So that she will now go to the village. See, there are so many word people in this village. Word people. Belle people. She will now come here now and meet you here. She'll go back to the village and start telling people, you see Timothy? Timothy is a lazy boy. When his mates are working, making money, he's in the house with a girl, playing love. Or you want people to start knowing that you have to know. What?
Timothy.
What is it?
That girl sounded like something was going on between the both of you.
Oh God, you just embarrassed me. That is an insult. So look at me now, check me out now. Is it because I'm a graduate too? Your own boyfriend, the boy dating you. Who is that? That girl is come on now. You are insulting me and insulting yourself also. That girl is not even worth one of your legs. And you are telling me you are embarrassing me, embarrassing yourself. You owe me an apology for that.
Timothy, I'm not convinced. But Yadiba, come back there. Bring the money. I need the money. I need the money. We take the money.
Should I go back to Timothy's house? He looks so suspicious. I must be hiding something. Yes, let me go back. No. I will find out sooner or later.
You want me to see you off?
No need. Don't worry. I'll just find my way. But before I go, please, the money.
Oh, I almost forgot. Yes, our savings.
The savings, our savings.
Yes. Okay. See, this is 6,000 naira. Take 4,000 naira from this money.
No, our savings.
Our savings. Set that account. Our future.
Our savings.
Then you can take the remaining 2,000 naira. Go and shop, buy anything. Buy gold, 2 earrings, buy one neck, make your hair, do lipstick, anything.
With the 2,000 naira.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Hey, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I love you so much. All right.
Shake.
Give me 6,000 naira only, and even had the guts to tell me to put 4,000 in our savings and then use only 2,000. You see, this is why I hate poor boys. This is just why I detest broke boys. Eh? What nonsense. But anyway, no problem. We shall see who will laugh last. Nonsense. Poor man.
There's something wrong about this Timothy. Apart from cheating on my sister, he seems to be up to something. He looks so fake, so unreal. Because I don't understand why a man will be taking money from the woman he claims he loves like that. Hey, I wish my sister.
Give him.
Everything is fine.
Kendi, you know how meeting ever.
Oh, I was rapping.
Yeah. That's it, is it rapping?
Yes, ma'am.
Ezioku. Ayo kwa. Oye na ku egwu na ebe ayo.
Eminem.
O snap boy gini?
Eminem.
Chineke be.
Gwendocha.
Na, not there. Not there. Yeah, was thinking one how. Keko CJ. Alpha.
It went well.
Yeah. One.
Okay.
Enter inside, go chop.
Mother, I must tell you the truth. I don't see myself getting married to Onobu's daughter.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I'd rather remain single than marrying her.
You wouldn't want your father to hear that from you, would you?
At this point, I don't care.
You don't finish?
No, I've not finished. I said, let me attend to my queen first.
See what make me say you be sweet boy. Correct man, we get sense.
Thank you. Thank you.
Obi, give it to don't dey bother me. I just say, make I reason am with you.
Say it, I'm listening.
Yes, I love you, die. I love you, scatter. I too love you. And I know say na same way when I take love you, die. Na so you take love me, die.
Absolutely.
Me and you, we don't date together now 5 years. Nothing dey occur, nothing dey play, nothing dey happen.
Babe, I don't understand. What do you mean nothing dey happen?
I know say they try. I know say they try where, you know easy. They try like man where you be. But I won't make you try more. See, you go if you come see my people, pay my bride price, marry me, come off from house. Because suitors don't they come. Suitors don't they come every time. Then they run, they come, now they pursue them, tell them say, I don't want. And not because of you.
Yes, babe, I know. And I know you're going through a lot. Eh? Your parents, pressure from your parents, from friends, everybody around you. But at the same time, you know very well I'm doing my best. You of all people should know very well if I have money, by now I should have come pay your bride price. And babe, you know very well I cannot come to your house without money to marry you. Eh? I need money to pay your bride price. Please understand and believe me.
I know.
Thank you.
And I make me come they save small. They save money. I don't manage gather enough. The money don't rise somehow.
Oh, that's very good of you. I know you are a hard-working woman. So, how much are we talking about?
80,000 naira.
Jesus. 80,000 naira. That is huge. Since when did you start saving the money?
Last year I started to save them.
Alright.
So, Obim, I go bring the money, give you. So that you go add them to the one where you get. Come meet my people. Marry me, come out.
Alright. Wow. Thank you very much. Once you bring this money, I'll do everything possible, add the little I have to it. Then we'll start planning for our marriage.
I'm very happy. I'm so
happy.
very soon now.
I can't wait.
We'll go just stay together.
To call you my number one, the champion, the factory fitted.
I don't hear. Oh yeah, nah. Make I just go. My car dey mechanic.
Will you marry me?
Make I dey go, Bim. I go see you later, eh?
You are the best.
I know.
See you, factory fitted. You want to follow me now?
I go see you, eh?
Who will marry this one? Ha! 80,000 naira. The game don't click off. Let's see for man. Joe!
Sister, you want to give Timothy such huge amount of money?
80,000 naira.
What did they worry you now? You want to let Mama hear what they talk?
She's sleeping.
Hey,
sister,
the money is big. Think of what that money will do for you.
Now waiting that money go do for me, so now I tell you. I go run and give Timo. You can't see our people. Pay my bride price. What do you remain?
Sister, that money is too big. He doesn't want it at all. He does not want it. How sure are you that he's going to come and pay your bride price?
You go see him.
How sure?
You go, Timo, you got fever. He go land here. Come do everything sharp. You go see him. That person why I know.
Sister, I understand you love Timothy. But giving him that money is not making sense.
It don't make sense, finish.
Okay, just give him 10,000 naira. Let him add his own, please, sister. Please, I'm begging you.
You said no, say no to get. You know to get. Where you want from Danga?
Sister,
you are hardworking. You can handle a business. Please, I'm begging you. You can use that money to start a small business and stop this your taxi driving. Please, sister. Don't give it to Timothy. He doesn't want it. He's playing you, sister.
No,
please.
Obiakwa. Any small thing you dey hard working. Make I keep myself for now. I'm zero no when. Person where they hard working, not they marry. That's the man on Adi. Make I nobody say they hard working. That money so, as you see him, you don't reach Timothy hand, teenager. He go carry and come see our people marry me.
How sure are you, sister? How sure that he's going to come here? How sure? He's playing you.
You got fear. I got fear now.
Hi.
I got here. You got fear.
Sister, what has come over you? I don't understand this love again. This is not love. Yes, so this is not love.
Nah. Oh, it's not again. It's not about love.
No, it's not love.
Ha. So now you can't teach me what love be. Mama, what's I'm when I call me here with love. Because when I know when them born now, then they teach me love. Ezioku. Akukufe. Chabi. Wow. Korai ko bidanyama. Say na garizi pium. Me. Oh, image matters here for love, yeah?
No.
You know, garizi pium. You don't dey waka kurukere waka na why you know wetin be love? You wan teach me love? You see you, wait for okay. Do ogia. Ele koziri me favor love.
Oh, this is not love. This is not love. What kind of love is that?
Guy, what you are doing to that girl is not good though. Don't go and bring curse upon yourself.
Curse upon myself how? Which curse? No. Which curse am I bringing upon myself? Where have I gone? Where did I go wrong that I'll bring curse upon myself? Eh? No, what did I do? Is it my fault? I was in my house, my father's house. She brought money and told me to come and to pay her bride price. Uh-huh. Did I beg her? Did I tell her to bring the money?
But if you know you are not interested, why not reject the offer?
Reject what? Why will I reject it? If you see, will you reject it? You're looking at me. Answer me. If you're in my position, will you reject that money? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Is she a baby?
Hi. What you are doing to this girl is not good.
What is not good?
It's not good though.
Ha! What is not good? I asked a question, you've not answered me. If you were in my position, will you reject it? Eh? She brought the money. I took it. Since she does not want to understand or see the handwriting on the wall, it's not my business. See, listen, if she brings another one, I will still collect it. After all, you know I have my plan.
Ifoma, right?
Yes, Ifoma.
Hi.
The best woman in the whole world.
Hi.
The most beautiful girl in this village.
Why not tell Ginika the truth?
Tell what?
Tell her the truth before it's too late.
What is too late? What is too late? See, listen, I love Ifeoma, so I see nothing on. See, I would do anything for that girl. If I meet one babalawo and he asks, he tells me, you lose Ifeoma, so for you not to lose Ifeoma, I'll go and bring somebody's head. I can take your head to the babalawo.
Hey.
Yes. Hey. That is how much I love her. That is how deep I have gone.
The word is enough for
what? Which word? Which? Am I an African man? Or let's, for example, say I decide to marry two women. Can't I marry both of them? See, if problem comes later, you know you will not support me. Don't eat from this food. Because it's from that money I use to prepare this food. Choose. If you eat from this food, there will be problem.
The word is enough for a wise.
Keep your word. Which wise? After all, the person won't even advise me or think that someone like you advise me.
I'm better that I have only one person.
Yeah, which person? You better. That you're calling your girlfriend. Girlfriend.
Hey, Tibo.
I will prefer to not to have a girlfriend than.
Michael, I've had a discussion with the Council of Elders, and we have finally fixed the dates for our son's traditional marriage and his white wedding.
My lord, don't you think you're being too fast?
Did you say too fast?
Yes.
Our son came back from overseas 6 months ago. The plan was for him to get married immediately he returns, so that he can go to the city and manage my businesses. But as you can see, he's just delaying. So what is too fast in it?
Yes, but I don't think our son wants to marry the Onowo's daughter.
My queen, that is of no consequence. Yes, his thinking is not important. Do you know what I stand to lose if he fails to marry that girl?
No, but my son's happiness is also important.
Ah, come on. He will be happy. Chineye will make him happy. She's a very good girl. Enough. Go and get your son for me. Now.
We should also think about our son's happiness.
I said go and get your son for me. Jeff, I have held a meeting with the elders in council and we finally fixed the date for your traditional marriage and your white wedding.
What? Father, over my dead body, will I marry Chinenye?
Jeff, you will not die. Your traditional marriage will take place in 2 months' time, while the white wedding will take place a month later. So you better get prepared, have a discussion with your fiancé and make all the necessary arrangements.
Father!
Don't father me, Jeff. The decision has been made and you just have to get prepared. Congratulations.
Mom, I demand you tell me the truth.
What truth?
Mom, why is Dad insisting that I marry Onowu's daughter?
I really don't know, but Chinenye is a good girl.
Mom, that's a lie. I know my father. I know him too well. When he's about to lose something, then he will insist on something.
I don't understand.
Talk to me. I'm listening.
I don't understand. I don't know what you're talking about.
Mom, talk to me. All I need is the truth. Talk to me, I'm listening.
I don't know the truth.
Mom, talk to me! What is this? Mom, I'm all ears.
I don't know why you want to put me in this position. It was some months back. Some white men came into this community claiming they found oil in our land. Your father knew nothing about what they were saying, so he instructed them to locate the land and get back to him.
This, what you're talking about is not just clear. The story is not clear at all.
They found the land and reported back to your father. Your father did his investigation and found out that the land belongs to the Onowu. The company promised to pay the community 80 million naira annually. But there was a problem. The Onowu refused to release the land for them to mine. Your father made him a lot of offers, which he rejected. Finally, he came up with this idea of you getting married to his daughter. And your father accepted it.
My father accepted it. My father agreed such without my consent?
My son, we were outside the country as at then. As a matter of fact, that land has been the community's only source of income. All the development you see going on in this community is as a result of that same land.
And what if I refuse to marry Onowu's daughter?
Onowu takes back his land and the money stops coming.
Then tell my father to get ready to bear the consequences. Because I am not going to marry Onowu's daughter. I am not going to trade my happiness for anything. I will not do that. Excuse me.
What have I done? Why did I let out this secret? But my son's happiness is very important to me.